Hi there. In this really quick video I'm going to show you this SPRUTTIG, who knows how it's actually pronounced, coat hangers, I think they are called. And as you can see, they are from the Czech Republic. They are built there. And overall, first impression, as you can see, in this direction, they are rather flimsy because they are extremely thin, about 3 millimeters or maybe 4, but I don't think 4, maybe 3. But on the other direction, they are, I don't know, almost a centimeter, maybe 8 millimeters or something like that. So on this axis, they should be fairly strong, but like this, they will be wobbly as hell. So I'm going to rip apart this and take a better look at a single one of them, and then obviously my wife will use them and she will give the final feedback for this video if they are any good. But honestly, for things that I don't know, get damaged easily or are somewhat prone to getting marks on them, this is kind of thin. So maybe I wouldn't be really happy to have on them an expensive t-shirt, for example, because this will leave a mark at the shoulders, for example. They are extremely thin. I prefer the round ones, honestly, but hey, this is just my impression. Wife will see. In this direction, quite sturdy, so shouldn't be an issue. This feels, again, decently sturdy. It does bend a little, but not too much. So they are cheap and cheerful, but yeah, I'll get back to you after a good while of use. So these things are in use for almost 2 years at this point, I think, on various clothes. Yes, as you can see here, my wife bought all kinds of them from other brands also, but we still have the IKEA ones, all of them, none of them failed, but yeah, we needed more. I think there's an IKEA also there. So yeah, they are working absolutely perfectly. They do the job. That's about it. So a decent product for the price, but probably you can find even cheaper if you search enough. So there's that. Nothing more, nothing less. Ah, this one is unused actually. So exactly as in the first day. Absolutely nothing bad happened to them, but neither are they great because they are quite thin here, that I could say, hey, these are the best things ever, buy all of them that you can find. Personally, I still prefer something like this, which is a bit more rounded, than something like this, which is really flat. But yeah, this is a bonus for storage. So each with its own advantages and disadvantages. So yeah, there's that. Hope this video helps you, in which case please give it a like, check out my other videos, and as always, see you in the next one. Bye.